Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 2nd, 2024. Nope, I need to remind you this is not 2024, 2025. The first puzzles in 2025, yes. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the JigSaw Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, I showed you earlier, we have an additional with extra puzzles. Seven extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with the 4 star Sudoku number 9828. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 3 stars puzzle. 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes I need to solve. But it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars for 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes. Or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 4 star Sudoku or a 3 star Sudoku? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column only place 11, 7 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between. Middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 3, 3, 8, 8. Okay. Need a 3. Yeah, 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Need a 1 here. Need a 6. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Need 2 here. Okay, and now, need 6 here, need 8 here. Yeah, we have a pair in the second column. We have a 4 and 8 in the first column, 4 and 8 in the third column. So the column between, second column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this row, no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Need a 4 here, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. That means we need a 3 in these 2 boxes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. We have a 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So 3 in this row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the second column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. The only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Then let me see. Need one here, one there. Alright, need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. 8. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 here. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, middle row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. We have a pair in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 and a 3 in this column. 8 in one of those two boxes and a 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 8 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 8 and 3, 8 and 3. And then 2 and 7. So 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7. And I need a... Yeah. 6, need a 1. 7. Come on. 7. Need a 2 here. 2, 9... 1. 2, 9, 1. Come on. Well, the 6 here. 1 here. And the 5 here. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, this box cannot be a 2. We have a 2 in the last column. This box can be a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the 2 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 3 missing numbers now. This big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 9 in the first row. So no 1 and 9 in this box. 1 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 missing numbers now in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Okay. Here 1 and a 9, that means the other 2 missing numbers in the second row should be the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Okay. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, this box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. Cannot be a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in the last column for number 6. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 to 5, 3 to 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then let me see. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 9 and the 7. Come on. I'm thinking. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there or here. Well. How about the 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column? So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. 6. Alright. 2, 8, 9, 2. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2, 9, 2, 9. We have 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there, so 1 digit left in the middle row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes that are up here in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. So we have a 7 here, we have a 7 there. That means in this column, the 7 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Because here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the 7 in the 5th column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 and the 6, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be here then. Because we have a 9 here, and a 9 there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 or 5, we have a 5 now. So this box should be a 2. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 5, correct. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and an 8, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 2 should be here, 2, okay. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finishing 14 minutes. Well, 0 stars, well, let me give it, this is a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.